Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I show you step by step how to close your application or how to close your all application on your iPhone. So first of all, go to any application, for example, go to clock, for example, and click here in this and move it to the right or to the left, like this. Click on it and move it to the left, and here you will see a lot of applications. For here you can simply close it, okay, like this. So that's you can close your applications. So thank you so much for watching me, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more awesome content. See you to the next video.